Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this stunning Defender 110 first edition. This is a 3 litre diesel in Gondwana Stone. You have a black contrasting roof, 20-inch alloys sparkle silver finish, privacy glass, and going into the boot you have plenty of space there for all your personal items, and the back seats also fold down if you need even more room. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves you time attaching and detaching. And then going into the front of the vehicle, you also have keyless entry, so if I press that button it will lock the car, and you press it and it will unlock again as long as the key is near you. Going inside, you have first edition tread plates and a part leather interior which is lovely. A sliding panoramic roof which opens using these buttons here. You also have a windshield. This is great on a nice sunny day or just to let more air in. You also have a front centre console cooler compartment which can be switched on using this button here. She's great if you're going on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. A 10-inch display screen with various different options, including valet mode, which you can lock the screen so that the valeter only has access to your climate control and no other personal items. Wade sensing, telling you the max limit you can go underwater. You also have sat-nav, media, with DAB radio, and you can connect your phone using Bluetooth. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You can see a speed limiter, a lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which all make driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated front seats, which is a luxury especially in winter. The front seats are also memory, which is handy if there's several people in and out of the car. And you also have a Meridian sound system, just to add a little bit more of enjoyment to each journey. As you can see, this car has only done 61 miles, and you also have a clear sight rear view mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window, which is pretty handy. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Defender. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.